Hey Deb, I'm taking video as it's walking right towards it. It's right behind you. You can see the glow of its eyes. This is crazy.
You're gonna be chocolate. This thing's gonna bite me or something.
What is that? Bright. It's like looking right at me. Oh no, it's like sniffing our feet. It's sniffing my feet. Oh, there's the second one. Oh. Yep, that's the second one right there. Look at them both. They're coming closer. What the hell, man? Oh, don't run away. That is so weird how you can just see their eyes.